And then yeah, you just need to have wait for it. But yeah, as you can see, I can generate it because I had 650 coins from referrals. Unfortunately, I can't refer anymore because there you can only do 6 referrals. But yeah, you can do all of these effects like surprising effects, do together, free dance, AI magic. Really amazing library of all these effects. Oscar, placarding, Happy Valentine, meme face swap, video recast, like with one racer text to video, wild hug, hello red note, hair salon, cat tags. So this is what you can get, and then you have your video. So I will show you exactly how it look like, so you can decide whether you wanna upgrade or not. And then yeah, here is your account. Again, you can refer. That's the idea. You can yeah, you can still try to use my code, and then you will get 300 coins. So you can do that. So paid coins, subscribe, free coins. So as you can see, I've got a lot of these invite rewards. And by the way, you're getting free coins. When you just sign up, you're getting 50 free coins, but that's not enough to generate anything. Yeah. And then, yeah, seems even with the coins, your video is taking quite a long time to be generated, maybe a bit longer. So that's where you have it. So yeah, something like that, and then you're just waiting in it, and then you just have again all of these different effects. So this app is focusing only on this kind of short video effects. It's not creating AI photos, AI headshot, AI selfies. It creating these AI GIFs, and yeah, so you just have them here, and very often you already have some music selected for you, and also you have all these trending new like TikTok trends, which you can have, like Snoopy, Pop Mart, like this doll, Ghibli filters, and yeah, this kind of idea. So yeah, that's what it is, what you can get in here. So now it just says we have finished, check out. So now you see this kind of, so it's quite cool, right? I kind of like it. So the quality is quite good. I would say it's good. And then yeah, if you share it on TikTok, you get an additional 150 coins. So this is the way for you to get this additional 150 coins. Then you can just share it. You can save it, but then there will be watermark. To avoid a watermark, you need to upgrade. So that's basically the process, and yeah, that's what it is. And overall, pretty good app. There is another app in this category. It's called Hula AI, but Hula AI you only need to upgrade. There is no there is no free option, or there is no option to just refer with coins or invite your friends and things like that. So yeah, in a Hula app you need to pay. In this app, Videomax, which is not worse, you can just refer friends or use my referral code and get free coins. So that's basically the idea. So yeah, try it out.